Hey guys, welcome back to Review to You. It's your boy Matt. Holla at me, Review to You gang. How about y'all go and smash that subscribe button, punch that notification bell, and buy my merch, because we about to get serious.
Have you ever wondered how the big YouTubers get their videos looking so good all the time? They've got a secret weapon.
I want to give a big shout out to my sponsors, Neva Cream for Men. Boy, looking fresh!
No, not that one. They use the Razer Ripsaw X USB capture card. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Specs and features. The Razer Ripsaw X USB capture card is the ultimate bridge between your PC or laptop and high-end video devices. When a webcam just isn't enough, or you want to connect a compatible DSLR camera to your setup, the Razer Ripsaw X provides a high-speed, low-latency option. At one end, you've got an HDMI 2.0 input. On the other, a USB 3.0 output capable of processing up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, or 1080p at 60 frames per second. This expands your camera options to include handheld video cameras, DSLRs, and high-end recording equipment. Plug and play. The Razer Ripsaw X is instantly recognized by streaming platforms like OBS or Streamlabs, so you can immediately begin importing camera sources and tweaking performance. Then you can get back to doing what you do best.
Jeez.
Or worst.
I just want to thank each and every one of y'all in the Review to You gang. You mean the world to me. Just remember to hit that like button, go crazy on that subscribe button.
So, what do we like about the Razer Ripsaw X USB capture card? Firstly, the sleek form factor means the Razer Ripsaw X is easily concealed or tucked out of the way come stream time. There's also a lot of peripherals out there with restrictive driver requirements and software installs to get you going. We love that all of our devices were instantly recognized and could be used straight away. So, what's the downside? Folks who have cameras capable of anything higher than 4K at 30 frames per second might be a little annoyed this capture card maxes out at that level. But if we're keeping it real, there aren't any streaming services out there providing content at anything above 4K anyway. So, what are other people saying about the Razer Ripsaw X USB capture card? One reviewer named Brian Faulkner wrote, "I took it out of the box, plugged it in, it worked instantly and integrated with my streaming platform. The quality of the video is excellent. The unit itself is robust and feels high quality. I have had it running almost continuously since purchasing it without any issues." Another reviewer gave it 5 stars also. "I am quite a fan of this brand, after trying several products from them without any issues so far. While I already have a capture card that I casually use, I also wanted to get a higher quality one to set up in my guest room so that my brother, who is a professional game streamer, can use it when he stays over at my place. I would definitely recommend this one and truly think it's worth the price." Since it's Fun Day Friday, we've also included this final review just for a laugh. Nabishin wrote, "I really need to read these things before I order them. I don't have an HDMI camera, but I'll see about getting one." So, what's the verdict? Fast, easy integration, and excellent quality. What more could you want? We give it a rating of 5 out of 5 stars. And the Razer Ripsaw X USB capture card could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win our Razer Ripsaw X USB capture card, the rules, as they always are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with a secret hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck, everybody. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.